Welcome back. Welcome to lesson number 10 of Spanish for Beginners. In lesson 9, we learned the way to say it's for you. It's for you. Es para ti. Es para ti. Now, if we wanted to form the question, is it for you? Then there is no change, only the inflection of the words changes, giving it a questioning tone. Es para ti? Is it for you? Es para ti? Remember, you only have to give it a questioning tone. Now, can you ask, is it possible? Is it possible? ¿Es posible? ¿Es posible? Giving it a questioning tone. Now you ask, is the Coca-Cola for me? Is the Coca-Cola for me? Remembering, you don't need to alter the statement, you only have to give it a questioning tone. La Coca-Cola es para mí. La Coca-Cola es para mí. Is the Coca-Cola for me? Now ask, is the coffee for you? Is the coffee for you? El café es para ti. El café es para ti. The way to say important in Spanish again is very similar. Importante. Importante. With a very soft T. Now can you ask, is it important? Is it important? Es importante? Es importante? Can you ask, is it important for you? Is it important for you? ¿Es importante para ti? ¿Es importante para ti? Here is a written guideline for you. Now say, it's not important. No es importante. No es importante. Now ask, is it important for me? Is it important for me? Es importante para mí. Es importante para mí. I hope you understand that. Let's move on with our next lecture.